Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, we're going to be talking about drones, so let's get into it. All right, so if you're new to my channel and you are a real estate photographer or into this niche of photography, subscribe to my channel as I put out consistent videos on the topic. Today's video comes from, or actually is inspired by, a comment that Jamie Kimball made on a video that I made. So thank you, Jamie, for your question or comments. On the video that I made that's best drone for real estate photography in 2022, which in my opinion, Air 2S, and having owned, or I do own all of them pretty much, the Mini 3 Pro, the Mavic 2, Mavic 2 Air, the Air 2S, pretty much, you know, I've owned a lot of them. And I still, even after the drones that have come out this year, Air 2S, in my opinion, is the best drone for real estate photography. But anyways, Jamie says, thank you for your honest review. I'm wondering if you have been utilizing DJI Mini 2 for your business as well. You didn't really specifically specify, although the title of the video is regarding real estate. I was just wanting to clarify, if so, do your clients like the quality? I'm considering making a purchase for that one since it's in my budget. I just want to make sure you can provide pro quality from that drone for my clients. Thank you. Now, I've owned the original Mavic, and the quality on the Mini 2, I put on par with the original Mavic Pro, which is really good as well. You know, it shoots 4K. Now, if you have footage side by side, like the Air 2S versus the DJI Mini 2, you will notice a difference. Like, because I'm so familiar with all the drones, I can kind of pick and choose and be like, you know, I like the footage from this one better. Honestly, I like the Air 2S footage better than even the Mavic 3 that I have, which is kind of odd because that drone is a lot more expensive. But the Mini 2 is solid, and honestly, it's probably on par, or it could be even better than the new Mini 3 Pro, because I haven't been that impressed with the Mini 3 Pro that I have. The quality of the imagery, but the Mini 2 is solid. So if that's in your budget, it's cheaper, and you're just getting started in it, I think it's a great option. Now, the thing that I don't like recommending the Mini 2 to people is those that are just getting started and they don't know how to fly the drone, because there are no obstacle avoidance sensors on it. You know, if you're gonna run into a tree, you're gonna run into a tree. There's nothing that's gonna stop your drone from doing so. So make sure, if you do go that route, make sure you go to a field, practice, and know, you know, what you're doing. Or what I like to do is just take off higher than any obstacle around the area so that you know you're clear of all light posts and trees, and then just start from there and kind of work your way up. And if you're gonna do up and down shots, kind of go straight up and down. I used to do shots where I start at the front of the house and go backwards and up, and then I would reverse it in the editing process. But I think that's a pretty risky move. I'll still do it from time to time, but yeah, doing that move has made my drones end up in trees or hit light posts by doing that. And that's an issue if you have the Mini 2 and you don't have any sensors. Let me make sure I answered all your question. So yeah, I think for budget, probably for the best budget, yeah, I would say the Mini 2. I think that's a great option for you. So if you're on the lower spectrum of the budget level, I would go that route. Great battery life. I have no qualms with that drone at all. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you got value, hit the like button and subscribe if you're into real estate photography, and we'll see you guys on the next one.